I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns TSC Easy Guide. Start by logging into your KRA tax portal using your PIN and password, then confirm your tax obligations and gather TSC Pay payslips and any allowance records. Choose the correct return form, complete income and deduction fields accurately, upload supporting documents, and preview before submission. Always save the acknowledgement receipt and note the filing reference for future queries. In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns TSC Easy Guide. Begin by ensuring your iTax account is active and linked to your TSC employer record so pay details import correctly. Verify each income and allowance line, apply relevant reliefs, and confirm deductible expenses. Use the portal calculator to view tax due, save drafts periodically to avoid timeouts, and only submit when all fields and uploads are complete to generate an official acknowledgement. In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns TSC Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a compact way to bring music, timers, and voice help to your desk while you finish forms. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making clear tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want hands-free help around your filing station. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns TSC Easy Guide. Watch for common mistakes like missing allowances, wrong PIN entry, or forgetting to link your employer record, which can trigger amendments. Keep digital copies of payslips and receipts for supporting uploads, and use the preview function to confirm totals and tax credits. If you spot errors after submission, follow the iTax amendment process promptly, and note the new acknowledgement for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.